put on YouTube. So, do you like? Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Journey Diaries with Ashish. So today I am here in Indiranagar, Bangalore. I am gonna explore this beautiful place. So I'm gonna show you what I can see here. Okay, so first let me show you. This is the 100 feet road at Indiranagar. So from here we can start our journey, or this is almost 1 kilometer road. Start from this crossing and it will go up to the 1 kilometer. So here I can see this vendor is selling mobile covers, and just see how beautiful this cafe is. This is located in Indiranagar, and here you can see this boy, little boy, he's selling flowers and he's requesting from me, bro, like this is camera, you are looking in this camera, why you are not showing your face? No, I'm not gonna put on Instagram, I wanna put on YouTube. So do you like to come on YouTube? Okay. So here you can see some vendors, they are selling flowers, or you can see the beautiful boutique shops. Here you can say you can see mini show. There, this person, this vendor, is selling some attractive things. Here you can see some beautiful, like this ladies is going to sell some beautiful, I think, ornaments. Here again, this vendor is selling flowers. Why it is selling? Because in this street mostly couples, they are going to visit, so that's why when they will come they are going to buy flowers, or they are going to buy this type of things. So that's why you can see some. Look at guys, the name of this cafe is True Chocolates Desert and Cafe, Samur. Here I think you can sit inside, or like this first floor, or this is the upper floor. This is the main road. This is US Polo showroom. So again here I can see some foreigners, they are visiting in this place. Just see the beautiful light. Here you can take your selfie. You can see the huge traffic here. My expectations are totally different here. I thought when I will go there I will see the different shops or boutique shops, cafes together. But here I'm just watching some cafes. They are very far from each other. Hello guys, so right now you can see I'm in Indiranagar, and I have been walking here for the last half an hour, I can say. I felt here that yeah, there are very beautiful cafes or cool cafes. You can see the vibrant lights here. But what I felt here, the bad thing is that here, like, for the strange person like me, they don't know like where you can go, because Indiranagar is very big area. There are many roads, like very narrow roads, we can say 1 number road, 2 number road, 12th number road, or 100 feet road. So right now you can see this is the main road, like 100 feet road. But here every cafes, or the good cafes, bad cafes, they are very far from each other. So that's why it's very hard to find out or figure out for a new person. So guys, right now you can see this is 100 feet road in Indiranagar, where across the both side you can see different cafes, different showroom. Here you can see Jaipur showroom. This is the specialty of every city. Like if I go Jaipur, so where you can see attractive things of Bangalore maybe, or here you can see the attractive things of Jaipur, so that people can buy easily. So this is 100 feet road, I can say. Here you can see some beautiful pictures. You can buy these posters, especially you can buy these jutis if you are a girl. I don't know for whom I should buy. No bro, I don't want. No. You want to come in camera? Just say hi. So the the boy is not going to say me hi because maybe he's feeling something different. So here you can see the vibrant color of this city, Indiranagar. Person, they are just walking, and here like some girls, they are just trying to buy some posters, maybe for their room or for PG. You can see guys, this is very beautiful and very colorful. So this is the, I can say right now the time is 10 o'clock something, and here in front of me you can see the toy shop. This is very attractive. Here I can feel the architecture is blend of classic or modern, both. Here I can see the classic things or the modern things, both. So that's why people are here. But you know, I felt like Bangalore's people are quite different from the other. They are like little modern, because here I can see there are many MNCs in Bangalore, or many states people are here for their profession, for their job purpose. So that's why they are enjoying. You can see the beautiful movement. One person who is trying to, you can see, I'm not gonna show you in the camera, I don't know what they are going to feel. So that's why I'm little shy, guys, I can say. This is, you can see like the very different thing. Maybe in this car they are just trying to sell something. I don't know I should go there or not. I give the permission from this ma'am. So ma'am, I can record this also. You can see this is in Bangalore, 100 feet road, or they are just selling some home product. Is here you can see like this girl is requesting from me, if you wanna buy here on this 100 feet road. This is in Indiranagar. If you wanna come here, you can see Rose Love Bags. Maybe this is their shop's name, or this is the QR code. So here you can scan the QR code, or if you wanna anything from them, you can buy. Or you can. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Okay, thank you. So guys, you can see these ladies were very kindful, or they, because was my first experience with them. So I can say I don't know how I dealt with them. So this was my first experience. Here you can see the beautiful temple in Indiranagar, Ganpati Bappa Moria temple. You can see, guys. Here I can read the name, like I can read the name, Sri Shurya Kirna Ganpati Temple. It's such a beautiful temple. Just see, guys, the beautiful jhumkas. So he's selling. I think he's trying to close his shop right now. So guys, in front of me you can see the beautiful cafe arena, written in English or in Kannada also, in both. And you know, here a beautiful line is written, I don't know you are able to see or not, a little party never kills nobody. मतलब एक छोटी मोटी पार्टी होती है, वो किसी को मारती नहीं है, तो तुम्हें कर लेनी चाहिए. So maybe the main purpose of this line is that तुम्हें पार्टी वार्टी करते रहना चाहिए छोटी मोटी. Actually guys, here you can see the Bangalore vibe in Indiranagar. Right now I'm here, or you can see, oh my god, like this is living. You can see this is written on this shop, or this is such a big liquor shop, I can say. I don't know. Okay, let me zoom out. Oh my god, such a beautiful liquor shop in Bangalore I have ever seen in my life. Here you can see some vendors, they are selling. You can see some shirts, some pants, or some covers. Or if you want to come in Indiranagar, You can see the shop, or you can meet with this bro. Bro, say hi. So this is the shop in Indiranagar. So here you can see the brightening lighting of this Indiranagar city in Bangalore, where I am enjoying. You can see some beautiful stuffs, some jhumkas, some cosmetic items. This is Karnataka bus, guys. If you don't know how it look like, so you can see this lady is trying to sell bangles. You can see the sunflowers. So finally, guys, I think this is the last cafe, and right now I'm heading towards inside because this is the last cafe in Indiranagar. After that, I don't know I will able to see or not. So that's why I think I should go inside this cafe, or let me eat something. So you can see, guys, this is the cafe in Indiranagar. People are enjoying. I don't know this is right or wrong. I'm just recording the video here. So finally, guys, I can see this is the bakery cafe. So here every item like cake, everything whatever you are going to see, they all are bakery items. So I don't think I should have right now this type of things. Well, you can see the metro. As you can see, this is Indiranagar outside, or right now I am one of the cafe. I think it is going to close here. So you can see the menu of this cafe. Here I ordered, you can see first the beverage menu. Here I ordered one smoothie that is going to like strawberry smoothie. So that is going to cost for me 215 rupees. So this is the order number 28. So I have to wait here. I asked from one of the serving persons. He was just saying me that you have to wait here. Here you can see some person, they are just taking selfies, or every person is enjoying in a different way. This is the interior of this beautiful cafe. Here you can see the person who is, I think this is the delivery boy of this cafe. Today you can see I don't have tripod, and also I don't have microphone, or I don't have anything. So that's why I'm using my earphone. I don't know, I will see after that it is going to work for me or not, but maybe the sound quality is very good because I can trust this is the real lightning earphone of iPhone. So that's why its microphone is very good. So that's why I'm using right now. Or you can see the beautiful cafe with me, guys. I'm enjoying here. And you can see the vibe of this vibrant cafe. Today right now I'm not having my tripod, so that's why I can say I have been holding my phone for the last 1 and 2 hours. So that's why I'm feeling pain right now in my hand. So that's why I have to end this vlog. So I'm gonna request, it's a humble request from you guys. My channel name is Journey Diaries with Ashish. So please subscribe, and only subscribe, or if you want then you can like my video. This is my initial stage. Right now I don't have any words, so I'm stopping here this vlog. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. See you soon in the next vlog.